Hi everyone, this is Alyssa with the BlueLink team, and in this video I'm going to show you how to use filters to blur facial features in Photoshop CS6. So we're going to start out using the magnetic lasso to select the area around the eyes and nose in roughly the shape of a mask. I'm going to speed up through this part. If you need more help with the magnetic lasso, take a look at the background removal video on our channel where I go more in depth. Now that we have the area fully selected, we can go up here to the selection menu at the top left. We're going to go down to the Refine Edge option, and this is going to pull up a new menu and make it so that only the inside of your selection is visible. From here, we can adjust the feather of the selection. For BlueLink members making these edits, we typically use a setting somewhere between 5 and 10 pixels to keep the edge from being too harsh. I'm going to leave it at 10 and hit OK to apply it. The next step is to go up to Filter and select the Blur option, and then Gaussian Blur. With this, we increase the dial until there are no distinguishable features visible within the selection. Hit OK again to apply the changes, and then we're going to go back up to the filter menu. This time go to Pixelate and then Mosaic. The cell size we use varies depending on the photo and what ends up looking the best. I'm going to leave this one at 74 and just hit OK to apply it. Then I'm going to deselect, and you can see that the eyes and nose are covered, and that just helps protect the anonymity of our donors. That wraps up this step in the BlueLink editing process. Thanks for watching, and feel free to check out our channel for more tutorials and anatomy-based content.